Only one I know of that most people don't know. Everybody's pretty much figured out all of them at this point. Yours are wearing very evenly. So.
How can you tell? Like, what are you looking for on it?
Just looking at the distance between, so that little crossbar right there, that's your wear mark.
Okay.
When this gets level with that,
yeah,
it's time to replace it.
Okay.
And just looking at the distance between on both, they're about the same.
Okay.
So your wear is very even.
Good. Go into the app. You go into summon, and then down here you'll be able to hit forward and backwards. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it forward for now. Tizzle services. Good. How you doing? I'm Brian.
Steve.
Nice to meet you.
You just put on my app when I relax.
Sure. Alright, so
on the back of my phone.
Cool. It's crazy, this is making that noise. How come yours didn't make the backup noise?
It's an older car, it doesn't have the pedestrian speed.
Oh, okay. So after how many miles do you recommend it get rotated?
It can have a lot to do with your driving style. If you're a more aggressive driver, I'd say around 5,000 miles.
Okay.
But if you tend to drive the car a little more relaxed, about 9 to 10,000.
Okay. That's kind of where I'm at. I actually went over that, but the manual was saying like 6,700, and I was like, oh man, I'm over that. And I was like, well, better. I know I could do it myself, but I wanted to see what it was like when the service did, and I figured for this one time I'll just pay for it. And oh, that's just a quick pop off. They sure did make everything pretty simple.
Yeah, they're very easy cars to work on for the most part. There's a little pad right there where you, that's where you place your jack.
Gotcha. It's metal. This is one. This is two. This is 3. Coming to 3. And this is 4. It just fits right in it. It's so cool. How can you tell? Like, what are you looking for on it?
Just looking at the distance between, so that little crossbar right there, that's your wear mark.
Okay.
When this gets level with that,
yeah,
it's time to replace it.
Okay.
And just looking at the distance between on both, they're about the same.
Okay.
So your wear is very even.
Good, good. Trying to let autopilot do as much of it as it can. I just got the full self-driving. I guess I had it for a month and I didn't even realize it, and I just waited on the button. I didn't push the one button over. So you said once it gets to that line, you said?
Yeah, that line indicates 430 seconds tread, which is...
Okay.
You can technically go longer than that, but that's what we recommend replacing it, because that's what that line is there for.
Okay.
So, you know, it's not... you still have time before it wears completely through, but that's the last safe tread.
Okay. So if I needed a tire replacement, do you guys come out to do those, or those have to be done at the shop?
We do that in shop just
Okay.
because we don't have the equipment to change the tire on the
And to balance them?
Right.
Gotcha.
Some of the more saturated markets have dedicated tire vans for Tesla, but we're just not a big enough market here
Yeah.
for something like that. Yeah.
Hopefully eventually we will.
Yeah.
You can't believe how high up that was. What's the pounds?
It's 175 newton meters, which is 129 point something foot pounds.
Okay.
130 foot pounds if you want. Foot pounds.
quick pop, huh? Easy enough. No problem. How many of these a day do you do?
1 or 2.
Oh, not bad. Is it the same price if you get it done in shop?
Everything same price, in shop or more.
So heavy.
Oh, it's very heavy.
Oh yeah, sorry. Getting ahead of the game. Trying to help. Making it worse. I'll back up. Now I can be motivated.
You may have seen him, a friend of mine that has a Tesla as well. He has a YouTube Tesla charge.
YouTube Tesla charge?
Yeah, that's his nickname, is Tesla Charge.
Okay.
On YouTube, he does. He's in Louisiana. He does salvage title rebuild Teslas.
Nice. Gotta look it up.
2 or 3 Model 3s. He bought 2 wrecked Model 3s and made 1 good one out of the both of them.
Jeez.
He just bought a new Model Y.
It's crazy that they outfit these with all this stuff. How much does this reduce your mileage though? Really?
The extra weight doesn't really seem to bother him.
So how long have you worked with Tesla for?
About a year and 3 months.
You like it?
Yeah.
Did you go through the START program?
No, I've got a little over 10 years experience in the automotive field.
Gotcha.
So this was just more of a change of pace kind of thing. It's nice because normally in the automotive world it's all labor hours work, whereas here it's time clock. So if I'm on the clock, I'm paid.
So from transport to get till you get back.
Yep.
And is this your vehicle that you?
Yeah, I bring this home every night and then leave from my house.
Do they give you like the wall charger and stuff?
They're going to. I don't have one yet, but the car has free supercharging.
Oh, nice.
Company policy, I have to be on the clock if I'm driving the vehicle.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You know, it's better than having to commute in my own vehicle back and forth.
I'm gonna go in here.
Click that one. That one
Okay.
that we're doing. Then review estimate.
Okay.
You can see all that other stuff is covered under warranty
Gotcha.
for your other concerns, and then it's the 65 for the tire change.
Okay.
If you approve it.
And then So
now I'm gonna send you the final invoice,
Okay.
and now if you refresh yours, it should give you it.
Okay. And then just hit pay.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay.
So, these are your audio settings. Your sub, your mid, your trebles, everything else. So, if you turn your bass all the way up, and you see this goes 3, turn it up to 11. Or if you do it again. Or you do it again.
What? That is crazy.
But it's only if you have, like if you turn this down
Yeah.
and do it, it just goes up to 6. But if you turn your base and your sub all the way up, it gives you
That's
a funny
crazy.
But that's the only one I know of that most people don't know. Everybody's pretty much figured out all of them at this point.
And he's off.